Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique Davis, also known as Brown and Bindi. And if you would like to know how I made $500 with the ukulele, continue watching. Oh, it's gonna be a weird video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a disclaimer for you. This video is not a tutorial. This is not me showing or telling you how I did this. This is just me informing you about the experience I've had because I'm not quite sure about the mechanics of what the f happened this week, but we'll figure it out as time goes on. So, long story short, I have been a songwriter for the majority of my life. I started writing songs when I was 4 years old. I remember I found my mom and I tugged on her coattails and I was like, look at this, I wrote this. And then she was like, did you find this in a book? And I remember I was like 4 and I will never forget her saying what book did you get this out of? Did you find this in a book? But now that I'm an adult and I have my own child, I realize she was probably just saying that. Moms are great, aren't they? But yeah, I still think I was a decent lyricist at 4. But yeah, I've been writing songs for the majority of my life. So the other day I was sitting down and I was about to start writing, about to start singing. You know, I just moved back into my own place. So I haven't really been able to play a lot and sing a lot as of late, but now I can do it all the time. So I'm getting back into songwriting and I was singing some of my old songs and I was like, whew, I don't like how that feels. And I was doing some covers and I was like, oof, I don't feel great either. Not that singing other people's songs is horrible or you know, if you have sad songs that you've written, not like that any of that is horrible. Do what you want. It's no big deal. But I could just notice the shift in my vibration when playing a song that I had a really strong emotional attachment to. This is awareness I did not have when I was playing and writing heavily a couple years ago. So when I realized that, I was like, wow, well, I wonder what would happen if I purposefully wrote music to raise my vibration. And I tried it. Yeah, I tried it. And I'm just going to tell you what happened. Hold on, I have notes. So I'm going to show you like a 30-second clip of my song because if you want more, I'll make a whole nother video. I'll record it and I'll make it downloadable. But I'm not going to do that right now because y'all might hear me and be like, girl, you sound like a broken lawnmower. We didn't need it. Keep it. Put it back in the drawer. You know? So I'm going to give you 30 seconds. And if you guys are into it, let me know. But yeah, so I wrote this song. Oh my God, my house is as big as a castle in the sky. It's brick, has big windows, can barely fit all my cars inside. I'm the last one to see the sun and the first to see it rise. It's exactly what I've always visualized. And every day is like a dream. And somehow now I have everything. I figured it all out. It's a lot simpler than it seems. Now every day is like a dream. First time I didn't mess up. Jesus. So I wrote this song on a Thursday, right? It's Saturday today. I wrote this song last Thursday. Since Thursday, I have manifested My husband got a random bonus from his job. No reason. Just 85 bucks. Cool. That was on Thursday. And then on Thursday as well, me and my husband, even though he has a day job, we also work as partners. He's a photographer and I'm a creative director. We got $250 from a job we did 2 years ago. 2 years ago? 250 bucks? Sure! Why not? Why not? So that was on Thursday too. Then on Friday, my little sister randomly cash apped me 15. She cash apped me $15 so that I could go get lunch because she's just like the sweetest little girl in the world. And then on Saturday, today, this morning, my dad in New York randomly just decided he wanted to send your girl $100 because he missed me and loves me. So yeah, $450, close to $500 if we count the fact that my internet bill, which is usually $80, was $58, and I paid that on Friday. It was missing, it was less than it was supposed to. There was a credit applied to my account. I don't know why. I just signed up for AT&T 2 months ago. I never called complaining. I don't know why there was a credit on my account, but hey, there was. So I manifested around $483. That math is so wrong, but I'll put the whole total on my face right now. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed hearing about how I manifested some money from writing a song. It was really exciting. I'm really excited. I'm continuing to play this music. I'm continuing to write music, and life could not be better. It really, like, seriously, so cool. What was the last thing I was gonna say? Oh, if you would like me to record the song, let me know. If you're interested in the whole process in general, let me know. Otherwise, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so people know that it is valuable and that they can find value in it. I don't know. Also, make sure to leave a comment if you'd like me to expand on anything that I said in the video. And finally, make sure you are subscribed so that you can see my next video, which probably won't have a song in it, so heads up. Don't subscribe if you think this is a music channel, because it is not. I love you so much. Have such an awesome day. I'll see you later. Bye.